violate any YouTube guidelines. Best exchange for crypto trading in 2025? Complete guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore the best cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, choosing the right exchange is one of the most important steps in your crypto journey. 1. Binance. Why it's popular. Largest global exchange by trading volume. Features: spot trading, futures, staking, and a wide selection of coins. Pros: low fees, advanced trading tools, and high liquidity. Cons: not available in all regions, like the US has Binance.us. Note 2. Coinbase. Why it's great for beginners. Super easy to use. Features: buy, sell, and hold crypto with a clean interface. Pros: strong security, regulated in the US, great learning rewards. Cons: higher fees compared to other platforms. Number 3. Kraken. Why traders love it. Long-standing, reliable exchange. Features: futures trading, staking, and margin trading. Pros: very secure, wide range of assets, transparent fees. Cons: interface may feel a bit complex for beginners. Number 4. Crypto.com. Why it stands out. Strong mobile app with integrated DeFi wallet and Visa card. Features: spot trading, staking, debit card cashback, NFT marketplace. Pros: great for mobile users, lifestyle perks with CRO card. Cons: rewards have been reduced over time, requires CRO staking. Number 5. KuCoin. Why it's popular. Known as the People's Exchange. Features: spot trading, futures, bots, and huge coin variety. Pros: low fees, large selection of altcoins. Cons: not licensed in all regions, so use with caution. Final verdict. If you want low fees and advanced features, Binance or Kraken. If you're a beginner, Coinbase is the easiest to start with. If you like mobile trading with perks, Crypto.com is a solid choice. For altcoin hunters, KuCoin might be your best bet. The best exchange depends on your personal needs, fees, features, and availability in your country. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our crypto tutorials and comparisons.